ng basketball from 19 down to a buzzer-beater victory. Yan ang naitala ni Jamar Murray para sa Denver Nuggets matapos itong pataubin ng Los Angeles Lakers sa Game 2 ng Best of 7 match ng Western Conference Playoff Series. Ang action-packed game, sama-sama nating tutukan sa report na ito.
Murray makes a move. Denver. The Nuggets have won!
Perfect shot at the perfect time. Yan ang ipinakita ni Jamal Murray para maibigay sa Denver Nuggets ang 2-0 advantage. Matapos nitong pataubin ng Los Angeles Lakers sa round 1 ng Western Conference Playoff Series. With only few seconds remaining in the game, tied ang score sa 99. Pero pinigilan ni Murray na mag-overtime pa matapos niyang magpakawala ng step-back jumper, ending Game 2 at 101-99. Bagamat late game, maganda pa rin ang ipinakita ni Murray, finishing 20 points on 9 for 24 shooting.
I just saw the ball over the rim. I think AD was in my way, or somebody was in my way. And I just heard everybody scream. That's how I know it went in. So it was a pretty cool moment.
Samantala, nanguna naman sa scoring si Nikola Jokic with triple-double, 27 points, 20 rebounds, and 10 assists. Pero bago ito, kinailangan munang habulin ng Denver Nuggets ang 20 points na kalamangan ng Lakers sa unang 2 minuto ng third quarter at 68-48. Ito ay matapos ang 2 3-point play mula kay Anthony Davis at isa pang 3-pointer mula kay Austin Reeves. Pero tila yata nanlamig ang laro ng LeBron James-led squad at hindi na nakausad sa 74 matapos makapagtala ng 10-0 run ng Nuggets, closing the gap to 9 bago pumasok sa final period. Ito na ang ikasampung sunod na panalo ng Nuggets laban sa Lakers, kabilang ang sweep nila noong nakaraang season sa Western Conference Finals. Ang Game 3 ng Best of 7 series ay gaganapin sa Webes sa home court naman ng Los Angeles. Sa aking pagbabalik, Pinay tennis star Alex Ciala nakuha ang unang panalo sa Madrid Open sa Spain. Tutok lang sa MBC TV Network News.